Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video we are going to be starting something very exciting. Let me calm down. I've gotten so many DMs, so many DMs about this, and I really wanted to do it in depth. And now that the information on it has really grown, I figured this is the perfect time. So this is the first episode of the rice water series. Yes, you heard correctly, series. So there's going to be more than one video. There's going to be a few. Can't guarantee how many there are going to be, but it's a few. So in today's video, it's going to just be an introductory video, just to let you guys know that this is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a rice water series. So if you have any questions, anything you want me to do, anything you want me to touch on, this is your time to let me know. The first few videos are going to be just information before I start trying it out myself. So yeah, let me know in the comments section, in my DMs, via email, whatever it is you want me to do, whether you want me to, research on black rice and white rice and brown rice, whether you want me to, do a length check, whether you whatever it is you want me to do, what you want to see, let me know. This is your opportunity to actually tell me this is what I want you to do, so I can produce it for you. I love being given this opportunity as a subscriber myself. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so as a subscriber myself, my thing is really noisy. I'm so sorry. This thing is so noisy. As a subscriber myself, I love being given the opportunity to actually tell, the YouTuber what exactly I want. So this is your opportunity. For those of you who are watching a bit later, sorry. Maybe next time. So I already have my concoction here of rice water, and it has been fermenting for I think 3 weeks now. I'm really scared to open this bad boy out, but we're gonna do it at some point. So I have followed the Yao Women's recipe for rice water. For those of you who don't know, rice water has been used as an ancient tradition for many cultures, but it's mostly popular in the Asian culture. It's most known with the Yao women in China, who used rice water to wash their hair. And these women are known to have long, beautiful black hair. And even, the elderly women in their 90s have long, beautiful black hair with not even one gray hair. So a lot of people have been trying rice water out, copying the Yao women. These days people have been using their recipe, which included rice water and pomelo. Pomelo is a form of grapefruit. It's a type of it's a type of citrus fruit that's found in China but not found everywhere else, and it's similar to a grapefruit, which is similar to obviously an orange. So they use this, and the women usually ferment the rice for a few days to months and things like that. The exact specifics are actually not known. There is a documentary that has been done about it, and they said that in that it was about 2 to 4 weeks. So they actually have ceremonies where they wash their hair, and there's a specific way of washing the hair, there's a specific way of washing the rice, there's a specific way of fermenting and things like that. So that's pretty much a brief on the rice water, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that in the next video to come. I'm going to show you how to make the rice water like the Yao women. I'm going to show you how to wash your hair like the Yao women. At the same time, we're going to be talking about the pros and cons, because for those of you who don't know, rice water is sort of like a medicine, to be honest. It is great, but also if taken in large quantities, it is very damaging. So rice water is sort of like ibuprofen, let's call it that. It's the ibuprofen of hair. It's great, it's amazing, it fixes the problems and things like that, but in excess it's damaging and very deadly. And also not everyone can take rice water. So for those of us who have low porosity hair, bells on bells, rice water is very, very damaging to low porosity hair. So when you're dealing with low porosity hair and rice water, it's very, very important for you to make sure that you do it correctly. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about all that because I do have low porosity hair myself. And I've been doing a lot of research. I'm a little bit nervous to even try it, to be honest. I don't want to damage my hair. But long story short, we're just gonna do it. For you guys, I'm gonna do it. So just a brief into how rice water works. Rice water is essentially a protein treatment. It is a protein treatment because rice water has protein and starch in it, and that's pretty much what you're extracting out of the rice when you're, you know, doing the process of washing it and stuff like that. And then when you ferment the rice, it actually decreases the pH of the rice, so makes it more acidic, and the more acidic it is, the more likely it is to close the hair cuticles and stuff like that, which is why it becomes an issue for low porosity hair, because already it's tough for your hair to get moisture. If you close your cuticles, then that means no moisture is coming in. The way that rice water works is essentially by coating the hair. So the protein and the molecules in the rice water coat your hair strand and make it strong. So once your hair is strong, it means that it grows longer because it's stronger, which means that it retains length. So I just want to clarify something for you guys. Rice water does not make your hair grow. This is something that has been going around a lot, but it's not the truth. Rice water does not make your hair grow. It doesn't. What rice water does is that it strengthens your hair so that you retain your length. Rather than your hair breaking all the time, rice water allows you to keep your length so that your hair is longer than what it would normally be, because you're actually keeping and retaining your length. Okay, so rice water, based on what we can see, makes your hair stronger, makes your hair less prone to breakage, shinier, healthier, all the lovely things we want to hear. But at the same time, rice water overload causes protein overload, which means that your hair becomes too brittle and it breaks, and your hair can become very, very damaged and begin to fall out. There are many videos of women who speak about this and talk about their hair literally falling out as they brush it or as they do their washes. So it has its pros and cons. That's what we're going to be talking about in the next videos, the pros and cons of rice water. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.